3, 2, 1.
Hey guys, look what I got. That's right, I got the Sizzler. It is a ready-to-fly rocket from Estes, or Estes, whatever you want to call it. And we are going to take it outside the box as soon as we take a look at its specs. The Sizzler is definitely not the longest rocket that I have, at 14.5 inches, but its diameter is pretty darn close, if not the biggest, at 1.64 inches, and its estimated weight is about 2.1 ounces. So, that means that it's not going to fly terribly high, terribly fast, but that's a good thing because it's going to be easier, at least in theory, to have a more scale takeoff, so I get to see more of it before it accelerates out of sight. And on the size motors I'm going to be using on this most of the time, at least preliminarily, the B64s. I've also got some B44s, but I'm thinking I'm going to use these for the most part with this. It'll go up 250 feet, and its max altitude with a C65 is 550 feet. Alright, let's open this up, see what's going on inside. So here is part of the rocket. You got the nose cone, and then you've got the main tube of the rocket. I'm going to set that right there. The last part we've got here is, these are the fins, and of course there's the parachute down in there with its born on date. And next you're going to see this thing assembled all the way. As I was beginning to put this together, I noticed something very important that I wanted to share with you. I've got this tube in here that you stick a motor in. In this case, it's the B64. It's kind of a tight fit, but that's okay. It appears that each time you go to launch this rocket, you've got to put this fin on. Put it on, twist, boom, you're good to go. Here's what it looks like with the parachute attached to the nose cone. Speaking of the nose cone, it's pretty solid, heavy duty plastic. This whole thing just feels solid. And here we have the final product. Up next, you will see this take off outside and hopefully do 250 feet or more, and we'll watch it float down via its parachute. Stay tuned, guys.
3, 2, 1. Three, two, one.
There it is. Successful launch with the Estes Sizzler. Thanks for watching, guys.